All right, so I just had some network issue. So yes, Aryan, as Abhishek, you were talking, so let's continue from there. Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek, you may unmute your mic and continue from where we left on, right?
So the main objective of the entire educational program is to make every girl child to educate.
All
This
right.
low level of literacy not only shows a negative impact on women's lives, also on their families and country's economic development.
All right.
And
What else?
fundamental rights of women are equality, freedom to religions, educational rights, against exploitation. That's all right, ma'am.
All right. And what about Aryan? Would you like to add something?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Go
So,
on.
what I think women's education is necessary for all the growth of any country, not our country, any country. Uh, some of government schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and many more uh, help to improve the women's education. Women education is so necessary to all. Uh, like lack of safety and rising crimes against women prevents them from receiving an education. मैम अगर मैं अपनी लैंग्वेज में बात करूँ ना तो जो वुमेन्स एजुकेशन है ये सबके लिए जरूरी है, हर एक वुमेन के लिए जरूरी है। ये उन्हें एक अपना हक दे देता है।
राइट।
जो आप समाज में निकले, अपनी पहचान बनाए, अपने पैरों पर खड़े हों। सो पिछले हम जैसे कि अपने जो हिस्ट्री को अगर हम देखते हैं तो जैसे कि वुमेन्स के साथ होता आया है, कई सारे अत्याचार हुए हैं। तो अभी जो न्यू हमारे जो ख्याल आते हैं माइंड में, वुमेन्स सेफ्टी, वुमेन्स एजुकेशन के बारे में सबसे बड़ा जो मेरे को चेंज लगता है हमारे हिस्ट्री में, फ्यूचर में आने वाला है, जो ये वुमेन्स एजुकेशन कारण ही आने वाला है।
राइट।
जरूरी है किसी भी कंट्री को आगे बढ़ाने में, किसी भी कंट्री को, किसी मैम अगर आप देखोगे तो हर एक फील्ड में वुमेन्स एजुकेशन करती।
All right, Aryan, you made some really
तो मैं
good
यही
points.
कहना चाहता हूँ
Yes.
कि वुमेन्स एजुकेशन काफी जरूरी है, कंपल्सरी है एवरी। थैंक्स मैम। सो ये राइट है मैम, हर एक वुमेन का, हर एक लेडी का, हर एक सिस्टर का राइट है ये एजुकेशन।
All right. So, you really made some very good points, but yes, you can try to, speak in English. No wonder you spoke really well, right? So we can just try to frame the same sentences in English. Let's say you are saying that it is a right of every woman, of every of let's say our sisters, our mothers, right? Yet our daughters to be educated, to have access to that education, and without worrying about the safety concerns, right? Without worrying about, let's say, getting kidnapped, or without worrying about being a victim of some crime against them. They should be able to access education. They should be able to attend the school without worrying about even the financial constraints, right? And yes, you mentioned about let's say the various government schemes. So yes, that is a very good idea. So Vijay, would you like to add something? Yes, Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, please go ahead.
Women education is very important. Ma'am, women education is very important because women are the first teacher of their children. The
Right.
children receive their very first lesson of their lab. Hence, the mother are educated. They can perfectly share and mold their son. And
So, like they say, if you educate a woman, you are educating a whole family, right? So, because that lady would
yes,
disseminate
ma'am.
the education to her family members as well, her husband, her children, her siblings, everyone. So, this is why they say it is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
important to reach out to the female population in terms of education, right? So that was another very good point. Anybody else would like to add anything? It's not कि आपने मतलब the people I said who would be participating only they have to speak. Anyone who has a point to say, you may speak. Because this is how group discussion works. It's kind of a conversation, right? Now Vijay said something, I might add something to it. If anybody else has any point in their mind, they may share that. Right? So who would like to go next? We can talk about the challenges to women's education. So like one of you mentioned that safety concerns are there, right? Women do not feel safe on the roads. So yes, even the parents, they might hesitate before they send the girls to schools, right? So what else are the the challenges? Let's talk about the challenges now. Yes, anyone? Arun? Why don't you add something? Arun, Atul, Ayush? Chalo beta, think of one challenge each. Right? We have a number of challenges in India. All right. So Shalini says financial problems are there. Very true. Anybody who would like to elaborate on these financial problems?
Ma'am, family can not afford their fees to educate.
Right. So, but in that case, our government is providing education free of cost. If you are aware, let me tell you, there is one Right to Education Act, right? So, under that act, every student, every child from 6 to 14 years of age is provided free of cost education. They are not charged any tuition fee, just hardly a token amount, and they are provided the books, they are provided the uniform, and if you are aware of midday meal scheme, so they are even given one meal. And the idea of introducing the meal was to encourage the parents to send their children to school. So you may say, okay, yes, financial issues or maybe lack of awareness is there about this particular scheme. Maybe everybody is not aware that yes, government will provide free of cost education if they're willing to send their child to school. Right? But yes, in other cases, whenever financial issues are there, yes, this is a very good point. Obsession with getting girls get married as soon as possible, that is that women's real role is only as a homemaker. Very good point, Ajit. You could have spoken this out loud as well. So yes, there is this issue of, now here we will talk of this biggest challenge, which is the patriarchal mindset. I'll write these words here so that you can use these words whenever you have a similar discussion. So this is one of the biggest challenges. How? Because people have not accepted it even now that girls also need to be educated, right? In most of the very backward belts of India, right? The backward pockets of India where there is less awareness, right? They still don't know what difference education can make. They do not prefer to send their girls to schools. They would rather, if we are talking about financial constraints, they would rather send the boys to school, right? They would just wait for the girls to turn the minimum age for marriage, and in some cases even that is not observed, and the girls are married off. Because yes, this is a very good point. There is this stereotype. Again, a very good word which you can use is, which will, express correctly what you want to say, that there are these stereotypes. Stereotypes क्या होते हैं बच्चे? These are just, some thoughts or ideas जिनका कोई logical basis नहीं होता, but वो वही माने जा रहे हैं कितनी देर से, and people tend to believe them without questioning what is the reason for this stereotype. So let me give you few examples. Like there is this stereotype that all the Punjabis, they love to party, and all the Punjabis, they love to have, non-veg, and they're party people. Though we know there are exceptions, right? All of us might not enjoy, attending parties, and we are all not non-vegetarians. There are some vegetarians as well. But ये stereotype बन गया क्यों? क्योंकि ये पंजाबीज की image ऐसे ही show होती है. If you see the not the social media, our cultural media, right? The movies, the serials, they always show Punjabi families in a particular manner. Whereas you would know that no, that is not how all Punjabi families are. मतलब हमारे में भी families are of all kinds, right? Some would be very, let's say, fun-loving and big joint families. Some families are nuclear families, right? So all the diversity exists, but एक culture में, मीडिया में एक ही image को जब show करते हैं तो that leads to the formation of these stereotypes. Similarly, now this is a stereotype that girls don't need to be educated and they should be married off as soon as possible. Right? So yes, you can, while having this discussion, you can make this point as well, that there is a patriarchal mindset. Now, what does patriarchy means? That, men are superior to women. Men are the ones who should be controlling, all the decision making. They should be deciding how the family is to be managed, how finances are to be managed, who is allowed to go to school, who is not allowed to go to school, right? So no doubt we are fighting this patriarchy every day, yet some ideas still exist. Okay, so this will become another topic in itself if we were to discuss the patriarchal mindset in India and its challenges, right? So, but here let's stick to the topic of women education for now. So what other points, what other challenges do you feel? So you did mention that yes, there is this idea of marrying of girls, right? Then there is the idea of our finances. Yes, Vijay, you may speak out loud as well. So school is not near to the home, family members not allowed to go to school. Yes. So इसमें क्या है concern के safety concern हो जाता है अगर school ज़्यादा दूर है. People think that yes, they cannot send their daughters unattended, right? So what they do instead कि चलो school ही उन्होंने कर दिया कि नहीं जाना ही नहीं है, right? Yes, they think for safety. So yes, our public places are not safe enough for women or our girls to be on their own. So they always have to be always have to be accompanied by some, let's say, responsible adult member. Yes, the idea of child or domestic labor, a very good point. So they think that why to send the girl to school? She can be of much more help being at home. So yes, especially in agricultural families or our families which are of low socio-economic background. I'll write these words here as well. So low socio-economic background would mean that even socially, they are on the lower rung of the ladder, right? You are aware of the caste system in India, right? There is a hierarchy of castes. तो उसमें जो यूजली एक्चुअली दिस हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व कि जो लो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक उस पे है ना, इकोनॉमिक अगेन हुआ फाइनेंशियली नॉट टू स्ट्रॉन्ग, जिनकी कह लो आपकी एनुअल सैलरी कम है, so those people, they think of the basics, right? So for them education is not one of the basic needs right now. For them it is just surviving from one day to the other. So in such families, yes, girls start working, and even the boys, they start working as early as 5 years old. You are very right. And yes, either it is in the agriculture, that is whatever the family is doing, they are putting into the family labor, or it could be working in some homes as domestic servants, right? So what other points can you think of? Students, in case the meeting will end in between, you can take a 5-minute break and then we'll resume the class again since we have one more lecture. All right? So that 5 minutes, please utilize them and think of more points, right? So women's education is a very good topic and we can really elaborate more on it. All right. So even the rest of you, Lovepreet, Gurjinder, Gurjot, please think of more points. All right. Yes, sexual harassment faced by women in institutes. That is also one big reason, that the families fear for the girls' safety. So at times they do not send the girls to school. So bache, do think of more points, right? We will resume the class with after 5 minutes. Yes, inequality and discrimination between man and woman.